Want to upload more than 3 ingredients into Google Flow? Here's a quick, reliable trick. In 60 seconds I'll show how to bypass the 3-item limit using a plain text list or JSON array. First, open Google Flow and navigate to the recipe or form you want to edit. Click the ingredient list field to inspect its settings and confirm the 3-item limit. If it restricts you, switch the field to its advanced or custom input mode. I'll show where it pays to compact comma list or a JSON array so the form accepts many items. Step 1. Open the field settings and click the gear icon in the editor. Step 2. Select Use Custom Input and change the input type to plain text. Step 3. Prepare a single-line comma-separated list or a compact JSON array with all your ingredients. Step 4. Paste the list into the custom input box and hit Save to apply the change. Quick test. Return to the form and paste 10 ingredients. The list expands without issue. Summary. Switch to plain text. Paste a comma list or JSON array, save, and you're done. Try it now and subscribe for more time-saving flow tips.